Alright guys, so I'm having a significant problem. So my microphone, I have to change the level every time I come to this device properties. It's just automatically go down for no reason. So there's two ways you can fix it. I'll say the first and most definitely best way is to go to your sound control panel. So you're going to click sound control panel. So you're going to right click, come to this sound settings and go to sound control panel. And over here, you're going to go to your microphone. So this is my microphone, as you can see, it's popping up, right? You're going to go to properties and then click advanced. And this in exclusive mode, uncheck this, because if you do this, then Steam or game will take advantage, especially OBS is so shitty. It's just take my volume down. So whatever you set it up over here, for example 84, no other app in the world can take this down. It will be by default forever. So that's it, right? Properties, advanced, it's pretty much same, right? Uncheck this. And the next one, if you don't want to do this, but you think this problem might be for Steam, right? Maybe Steam is doing it. So you're gonna go to Steam settings, come to this voice, I guess. And over here, you're gonna go to advanced option. And you're gonna say automatic volume gain control. You're gonna turn it off. That's it, that's all I gotta do. Thanks for watching. Take care. Short video.